guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video here. So me and my wonderful hair sister are going to be reviewing the Malta's 4 flavors, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and try out all the 4 flavors of Malta. So we have the coffee, infamous coffee here, and we have the vanilla, we have the ginseng and ginger, and the original. So first we're going to start with the original just to see and remember what Malta really tastes like. It's not something that you have every day, I guess. So let's go ahead and try that out. And we have our handy dandy little glasses, so we're going to go ahead and pour. I like it. Alright, so we're not gonna do too much. Just a bit to get the taste. Alright, Jamie, let's go. First of all, the smell, it's like malt, barley, what you know from a Malta, and they're also chilled, so. Regular Malta? Yeah, regular Malta, this taste the Malta taste. Something that all Jamaicans admire, I hope so.
The regular Malta tastes perfect.
So the regular Malta is normally like the best one. You eat it with bun, you eat it with pate, you eat it with anything nice and sing. So we'll go ahead and taste the vanilla because we want to go step up, you know. So we'll do the vanilla, and we did clear glasses so we can see if there's any color difference. Because of course,
so far no.
So far, yeah, I should say so far not really. They all look dark. Don't know if I can see it. Yeah. Alright, so first of all, you get the smell.
Smell like caramel.
Definitely caramel hits you. I don't smell no vanilla, or not what I know from vanilla. So let's go ahead and taste now. When I get the vanilla, I'm not all, guys. I taste mostly caramel, that way I get from a caramel syrup. Now we can drink, you know. I'm not telling her that you can drink, but it don't taste like vanilla to me. It tastes more caramel than anything else.
It actually tastes like knockoff vanilla. It tastes like one of them vanilla brands.
Like max something another vanilla.
Yeah.
But me not taste the vanilla flavor with me I look for, like, you know, Benjamin vanilla is a flavoring. They're not really vanilla, so that's the next thing too. So we'll go ahead and dive in at the coffee, guys.
Hopefully that tastes like coffee.
Hopefully this tastes like coffee because the vanilla I let me do already. So guys, I love that sauce. Alright, with the coffee one, you would expect it to become more darker, but when I'm pour it, it's lighter than the vanilla actually. So smell it. Alright, with this now, smell a little, yeah. Smell a little coffee. And as I say, look, the lighter than the vanilla one, like when you view it up close. So we'll taste it now. I'm going to taste a regular Malta flavor on this. I'm going to say something. I'm going to taste no coffee when I look for, but on little something that I don't really know what that do.
Have a buzz.
It not have a buzz to me, guys. I know everybody
tastes like buzz. You don't have no buzz. This is what I know what it is.
Everybody tastes buzz different, but it's more of a smell
than the coffee taste.
Alright guys, so last and final, drum roll. So we're going with the ginseng and ginger. So this one, I guess, the most decorated, newest of all the new 3. Alright, so let's pour. Looks like the vanilla one. Or like the coffee one. The ginger strong in this. Alright. I really know what ginseng smell more than how it tastes.
That's good.
Yeah. Alright, let's taste it now, guys. Yeah, man. This tastes like something different other than Malta. This, some add in with this. What the rest not taste that? Some add in with this.
Oh,
yeah, man. This smell like, you know, ginger biscuit.
Yeah.
This smell like. Yeah, go ahead with your fine.
Yeah. So if you want something to make you relax, obviously you can drink the ginseng.
Yeah. Yeah, so ginseng, one of them things, I'm going to herb there, we can help you through. Yeah, relax. Yeah. Oh man, that one here really, this smell like what you expect it to smell like, but the rest don't really get much. Yeah, that one here are the best one out of the flavors. But original Malta always stuck with we all the time. So guys, definitely try out these flavors of Malta and tell us what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time. Peace.